Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here, coming to a video about the case tractor again. Going to be doing a pulley swap on it. I broke down and I bought some pulleys. We got a 3.5 inch with a 1 inch bore. I got to weld the hub on. And then I got the biggest one I can get at Princess Auto. A good old 16 inch with a 1 inch bore hub. I got to weld that on too. Got the biggest one you can get. So we're gonna swap it out because the one on the transmission there, that bigger one there, is a 12 inch. So that one is 4 inches bigger. Plus the one on the engine is a little bit too small. The belt slips a little bit. So this is a 2.5 inch and that one is a 3.5. So there's a little bit more better for belt slip. But it will still be more lower gear ratios, which I want. And this belt is an A belt. I think A36. I'm going to be swapping it to these pulleys here are B. So the next, the 5.8 pulley, no 5.8 belts. You want them? So it should be way better. So and I can swap it over. All I have to do is just take off my bracket, slide out the old pulley, and slide in the new one. But first I should weld these, I guess. Okay guys, when welding these are, make sure these are nice and clean. Make sure they're nice tight fit, spinning there nice. I'm going to be flopping it over and welding the other side because this is the side with the lock. So I'm going to flip it over on the concrete and start welding it. Another thing, when I'm welding these up, I always like to hold the center and give it a nice little spin, make sure it's centered. Then I know it's centered. You're not gonna, like, no dirt or anything in the way. So I'm gonna do a couple tack welds and then I'll full weld it after I know it's straight. And as you guys can see, this is a 16. So, okay, get the weld. Just a couple tack welds. Now I have to go see if all I do is take a 1 inch axle, take whatever you want to balance, set it on, and give it a nice little spin, and you'll see if it wobbles or not. That's not going to wobble. And then bring it back and fully weld it. This is arc welding, so a little bit more messy than MIG welding. You get a nice deep weld on arc welder. Yeah. Now just clean it up with a wire brush and give it a little paint job. And for pulleys, I always like to let them cool down by themselves. Okay, step 2 is to take this off, which I did using some 3/4 inch wrenches and a 3/4 inch my impact driver, so I can take them off. I'll be back. Okay guys, I got the mount off. Now I just gotta loosen off the tensioner. What called? The clamp to hold the pillowbar bearing in place. And that will come off. Same with the pulley on this side. And I already took off this, so this will slide off. That's a small pulley. with the spacers. So I don't know how many spacers I need to put, but yeah. And I got the clutch back. I got a bungee cord on it, as you can see. So I'm gonna take these off with some Allen keys and then try to swap them out. Well guys, I got it out. So everything looked okay. I did have that in both the motor because I forgot that pulley was bent. So, but yeah, here the pulley. This is the new one. This is the old one. You see a side difference is quite comparable. So out go the old, in with the new. What I'm gonna have to do, that arm, I adjusted it all the way this way, so I'm gonna probably back it off a little bit to make the pulley fit in there easier. Okay, I could do that then. Okay guys, I got these pieces cut off. So next I'm going to place it back on. I move these from sitting about there, sit about there. So a little more room to move the pulley up and down. So yeah, I might have to move the motor too. Let me grab the pulley, because this is the pulley for the motor. It is pretty close. I'm thinking of maybe move the motor up another inch and a half with some blocks. So I'm gonna measure it out and see what I need. Okay guys, got it put back together so much. Got this all on, band holder on for now. Gotta come off because this is not the right size of belt. I'm just using it for a test. This is a B62. I need a B59, B58, something around there. Got the engine bolted on with the 2-inch spacers because the pulley is bigger, so I need to do that. And on this side, there you go, you see the 2-inch spacer. Plus I took the original one I made before, cut a 30-degree angle on it, and it works again. So I got to hook my little pivot arm I made, shorten it even more, and make it fit here to there. So when I move the clutch in and out, this will move in and out. The tension, the belt again. Oh yeah, got all that hooked up, so I'm gonna make that a little bit and see if I can find the right belt size, and then it should work. It should run again. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, I got the springs on for the belt tension. I have my piece made. So I can saw it. She disengaged, plus the belt brake, or clutch brake I call it. That all fine. So now I just gotta go get a belt for it, and it'll be good. So I'll see you in a bit when I get a belt. Okay guys, I got the belt on. It's a B56. So got the system. So I'm gonna start up and see how it works. That is so much more slower, I can see it already. So let's see. Well guys, look like I'm moving way slower. I got in first gear right now. And that looked pretty slow. You can walk way faster. And you see it's spinning pretty slow. Yep. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Next episode I'm going to be having some tug of wars with some stuff. I'm thinking tractor versus truck, tractor versus quad. The quad not going to win, but yeah. See, just find some stuff where you can tug of war. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.